Hello YouTube, Batman Original here, bringing you another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Generation 1 Fantastic Faces Ghostface mask. If you don't already know, the Ghostface Generation 1 is the Mac Daddy. Besides the white shroud ones, they are the Mac Daddies of the Ghostface masks. They're super rare. This is cotton shroud t-shirt material. They are from Scream 1. I will show you a comparison of the Gen 1 and the Gen 2 side by side. I actually had to measure this one to double check and confirm that it is a Generation 1 mask, because the Gen 1s are 11.5 inches, I think, and then the others are 12 inches. I'm not sure, but I'll look on the website and I'll refer back to my messages from my buddy Brad, and we'll confirm that. But without further ado, I want to thank Julia Clark for shipping me this, and I bought this off of eBay for a good price for what these go for, and this one is in great condition, and it's the first Gen 1 that I've owned probably since I was 7 or 8 years old, because when I was a kid, I was actually born the same year that Scream 1 came out, which was 96, and oh sweet, it has a Ziploc bag inside too. I like storing my masks in there now, the Ghostface mask in the Ziploc bags now, to help better protect them instead of them just sitting out. But I have to get more bags for those ones. Dang. Wow, this is a great copy. This thing looks better in person than in the picture. Wow. Got that vanilla smell. Dang. Hand cut eyes. Not sure if I think the shroud has just a tad bit of a tear down the middle, which is fine. As always, my girlfriend can fix that up for me by sewing it. But this thing looks to be in great condition overall. It's a great looking Gen 1. It looks like a Gen 1, but like I said, I have to measure it to confirm. It's got a tiny little hole, but it's not that big at all. And another thing that you can tell with the Gen 1s is the nose. It doesn't look like an upside down heart. It looks more, I mean it does, but not more like a heart. It's almost like a square. But dang, that's a great copy. Let me show you guys a comparison of the Gen 1 and the Gen 2. I'm almost certain it's a Gen 1. And Gen 2 and Gen 1 definitely is shorter, but I will measure it just to be safe. But dang, that's cool. It's a great looking copy. I'm glad I jumped on this one. Fits good, looks good. But yeah, I'll have to get that shroud fixed. Wow. Great mask. Glad I got blah blah blah. I'm so fascinated with it. Glad I picked this one up. This is definitely a keeper, and I'm glad I held out for this one. So thanks again. I didn't forget your name because I'm excited. Julia Clark, for this awesome score. This is a flawless Generation 1 Ghostface mask. I will definitely throw on the old costume and show you guys what it looks like here soon, maybe in a costume video. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more scores. I actually have a couple pieces coming in, and stay tuned for them. And thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you later.